Hello, Donald. I got a call about a investigation on me because of taxes,
Yeah.
and I was just wondering what's going on. Okay.
May I have your name, please?
Excuse me. Yeah. Hold on. I'm so sorry. Minnie.
That's okay.
Excuse me. Minnie Ayers.
May I have your name, please, so I can find it out?
That's what I said. Minnie. Minnie.
Okay, Manny.
Yeah, that's good. Ayers. Ayers.
Can you spell it out?
Ayers.
Manny.
Yeah. Minnie, like Minnie Mouse. Minnie. And Ayers.
Yeah.
Ayers.
Miss Manny,
Mm-hmm.
may I have a number, please, which when you received the call?
That's 602 552.
It's same number?
Yeah,
Sorry, it's not valid number. Do you have any another number?
it's the only number I have in the world.
No, I can't find it out. Okay, do you have your tax ID number?
No, it
You
should
don't
be
have a
in the
tax ID
system.
number.
It should be in the system if I received a phone call.
Okay, may I have your date of birth, please?
Why?
Miss Manny,
Why do you need that for?
may I have your date of birth, please?
Why don't you do the world a favor and stop scamming people?
Oh, wow.
Why don't
You
you do
think?
that, dumbass?
No, what?
Yeah,
Do you
quit
think?
quit scamming people.
If you think, then why are you calling me?
I just want to waste your time. You're a criminal. I don't want you to steal
Okay,
no more.
not an issue. Thank you so much.
Jerk. No, buddy. Can you turn your volume up? I can barely hear you.
Can I help you today?
No. Honestly can't. You're really, really low.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
That's better.
Hello?
That's better.
Okay, ma'am. You have reached Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you today?
Stop lying to people. You're not the Internal Revenue Service.
Okay, if you're not
You're just a scammer, Randy.
Internal Revenue Service.
No.
Okay, hang on.
No. You're not. Don't lie. Shame on you. Oh, buddy. Let's just call and do that. They hate that. They hate being called liars, and then they lie to people. That's funny.
Thank you for calling Internal Revenue Service. Officer Daniel Smith, how can I help you?
Donald Smith, you're a liar. Quit scamming people.
Oh, wow.
Fuck off. Fuck off. No money for you. No money, no money. No money,
Oh,
scammer.
wow. You want?
No money. No.
You want?
Why would I want your money? It's filthy money. Fuck off. Is that all you know how to say?
I don't need money.
Is
I need you.
that all your brainwaves impact you to say is fuck off?
Oh, wow. Just try to hack me.
I ain't trying to hack you. You're stupid. I'm just wasting your time because you're a scammer and you don't need to be stealing from people. Mr. Donald.
Oh, wow. You think so?
What's your real name?
What's your name?
I told you my name earlier. Minnie.
Oh, wow. Manny?
Minnie. I told you earlier it was Minnie. Did you listen? Stop,
नहीं है ये.
stop stealing from people.
Oh wow.
One day you're gonna get caught. You know that, don't you?
Don't worry. I will take a legal action.
Yeah, I bet. Put your ass behind the bars where it belongs.
What about yours?
Why do I need to go? I'm not doing anything bad. I'm stopping the criminal. There's nothing wrong with what I'm doing. You're a bad person. You need to be stopped. Understand what I'm saying. You know what I am. You know what I'm saying. You're just being a trouble.
No, I didn't understand.
Do you think that it was real that you was working for the IRS?
Yeah.
No, it's not. I don't know who told you that, but they're lying to you. Are you new there?
Anything else? Anything else?
Are you new there, or you just messing with me?
I know I am everything.
Well, if you know that it's scamming and stealing from people, then why'd you say you didn't know?
Don't worry. It's non-bailable warrant.
Well, I'll be calling back. Okay, I'm gonna go to another number, and then I'm gonna call him back later. What?
You have reached the audit extra investigation of the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. How can I help you today?
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Don't lie to people. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, ma'am?
Don't lie to people. What's wrong with you? You're not the IRS.
I'm not lying.
You are.
I work for I work for federal IRS.
You're scamming.
No. I don't like scamming people.
IRS don't call from this number.
IRS calls.
And they don't call, by the way.
No, IRS call people.
You're bullshit.
And you are a fucking asshole, right?
No, because I'm trying to stop a criminal? No, I'm not. Thank you.
No, you are a fucking asshole.
Quit stealing from people, motherfucker.
IRS, Internal Revenue Service, never sent email.
Internal.
Yeah, the IRS never sent
Internal scam service.
Okay, well, in that case, I'm going to hang on the call and I'm going to go with a legal action against you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I can't believe it. Oh my God. I'm getting arrested by the fake IRS.
Yeah, you will.
I'll be waiting forever because you never show up at my doorstep, asshole. And it's all fake.
Okay, well, in this case, I'm going to send a...
Don't even try, motherfucker.
In this case, I'm going to send a local sheriff officer at your doorstep to arrest you.
Oh, wow. I have police officers in my family. There'll be no such thing happening there, sir. So don't get your hopes up. You're a scammer. Fuck off.
No. I don't fuck myself. You better go and fuck him up.
I said fuck off. I didn't say fuck yourself. There's a difference, you know.
Okay, go and fuck Camel, dude, okay?
You know
what is Camel?
What?
You know what is Camel?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, go and fuck Camel, dude.
So just get off the phone, go out the door, go back home, wherever you're from.
Fuck off.
Well, call off yourself. That's all you good for. Are you the supervisor of this joint? Can I speak to the supervisor?
I'm feeling very sleepy.
What?
I am feeling very, very sleepy now.
Let me speak to the supervisor.
I'm feeling very, very sleepy. I want to sleep so much.
Turn your volume up. I can't hear you.
I want to sleep so much.
You want to what so much?
No, I want to sleep so much.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, bye. Sorry? Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
That's none of your business.
Are you a fucking bullshit?
No, you are.
No, you are.
You're full of shit because you're stealing from people.
Yeah, well, You wanna have sex with me? I'll give you $10,000.
Don't make me throw up.
I'm sorry.
I said, don't make me throw up.
If not, I'm gonna give you $10,000 for one sex.
What?
I'm gonna give you $10,000 if you have sex.